So I've been a owner of a textiles company, pretty large company, which we exited many years ago. And this is only pure passion to do something different from India has led me to build this product. I do not know how to write one line of code. So moral of the story is that if you have so something is fundamentally wrong. And the second part is video analytics, only video analytics, right? As I was telling you, is there an analytics today available, or will there ever be analytics available? Ever? To tell me one simple thing, that a guard who is sitting outside and he's supposed to watch that gate and has the most expensive camera watching him is actually sleeping or daydreaming or on duty. Can it tell? It can't. You go to a store, the salesperson, or I am the salesperson, and you walk into the store, and I am busy on my mobile phone, and I am not attending to you. What are you likely to do? Either go and complain, or walk out and go to the next store. Correct? What analytics? What analytics? That case I gave you about the little kid being taken to the school to be molested, which camera will tell me that that person who is taking the kid is a father, brother, uncle, or potential rapist? So, I am not against analytics. Please don't get me wrong. I am not against technology. Don't get me wrong. I am with a new phenomena called human analytics, not just video analytics. Human mind, human eyes. We created video analytics. Video analytics did not create us. So we are always going to be superior than machines. Forget about a few cases where the computer beats a chess player and so on and so forth. Your life doesn't work like that. Be practical. Yeah? So all I'm saying, go back to the basics. Over-dependence should be taken away. And we all know about false alerts. How many of you have faced false alerts? Good. False alerts, what they do is they destroy the confidence of the user. They say, yaar, ye to hamesha alert aate rehta hai, jane do. Haan, chhod do isko, chhod do. And so because you anyway get very flustered when you get an alert, you give it up. So what is the moral of the story? What needs to be done? What needs to be added to existing systems, existing cameras? Only three things. Audit CCTV daily, if possible, daily, as a standard operating procedure. You should have an audit book, a very simple audit book. And those of you who want that audit book, I'll be very happy to give you a sample, there's no issue. Simple audit book, कुछ नहीं है इसके अंदर, blank, कुछ नहीं है. पर आपको सिर्फ इतना लिखना है, ये टाइम से ये टाइम हमने चेक कर लिया और ये टाइम से ये टाइम हमको ये दिखा, finished. That's it. It's just an audit process. चेक मार्क करना है, right? स्मार्ट बैकअप कीजिए, नॉट बैकअप, स्मार्ट बैकअप. सी आज की तारीख में द इंडस्ट्री हैज नो स्टैंडर्ड. वीडियो सर्वेलेंस इंडस्ट्री हैज नो स्टैंडर्ड कि कितने दिन का वीडियो हमको रखना है. करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग कर्नल. Somebody has for 1 day, somebody has for 7 days, somebody has for 30 days, somebody has for 60 days, somebody has for 6 months. Now in the Middle East, Dubai has said, I think 12 months.
Banks 6 months.
Banks 6 months.
Only banks.
6 months, 3 months, 8 months, 9 months. I have only one question to all of you. Only one question. Let's say that it is 6 months. So this is on day 1 and this is up to 6 months. This is 180 days. On the 181st day, you realize something. You realize something that actually related to the first day. How will you get the video? It's gone. It's already overwritten. That is number 1. Number 2, it is not about quantity that is important. कि हमने इतना सारा डेटा लेके क्लाउड में डाल दिया. It is relevance that is important. Not quantity, quality, relevance होना चाहिए. and that data must be searchable. I believe when I was speaking with Rajan Luthra some years ago, I believe that Reliance itself has about 17 to 20,000 cameras across various areas of the world. 20,000 कैमरा का डेटा जब ऊपर जा रहा है तो उसको ढूंढोगे कैसे? Video is very heavy in format, cannot be easily tagged, cannot be easily retrieved. Just try to do a backward and forward of video. वो bandwidth आपका choke कर देगा, पूरा system choke कर देगा. Just plain simple back and forth, right? So you must have smart backup. ऐसा होना चाहिए backup कि 500 साल के बाद में भी अगर वो relevant data चाहिए तो वो आपको मिल सकता है. So it should be relevant, yeah, and searchable. And you must standardize incident reports across the world. So I had an opportunity of presenting a paper to Interpol, and the paper was on the fact that an incident in India, in Navi Mumbai, in Santa Cruz, in San Jose, in San Francisco, or Singapore, or UK. Murder is murder. Bomb blast is bomb blast. Chain snatching is chain snatching. Molesting is molesting. Incidents do not differ by geography. Correct? If incidents do not differ by geography and crime and criminals do not change by geography, there may be a little cultural issue. But basically a crime and a criminal are the same world over. Correct? Investigation of crime is the same world over. So if there is an incident at Reliance now, what will happen is your chief security officer will phone the nearest police station. The nearest policeman comes here, investigating officer will come here and he will ask you only 7 questions. And those 7 questions are the 5 W's. 1 H. And do you have CCTV? Correct? Does anybody know? Everybody knows what are the 5 W's?
Yes.
Good. How did the incident take place? And CCTV है कि नहीं? Now imagine कि अगर आप investigating officer को ये सारी information एक standardized PowerPoint में slide में 3 slide के अंदर standardized format में दे देते हो. Slide number 1 5 W's, slide number 2 1 H, slide number 3 CCTV. Give it to him in a soft copy PowerPoint, because यहाँ पर जो क्राइम करके जाएगा वो यहाँ नहीं रुकने वाला है. वो कहाँ पता चला? पूना की तरफ जाएगा, बॉम्बे की तरफ जाएगा, बैंगलोर की तरफ जाएगा, क्या पता. If you give this PowerPoint slide with the entire story to the investigating officer, you have reduced his burden. From Reliance itself, from his phone, he can send it to his police commissioner. Police commissioner will decide, oh, this is a very serious issue. We must share it across Maharashtra. 1 click. 1 click. Across India, 1 click. Across the world, 1 click. And when somebody opens it, if it is standardized, they also know कि कौन से slide पे क्या देखना है. So everybody speaks the same language. And incidents must also give you intelligence. Every incident has historical data. Every incident has information. Correct? You should be able to get patterns. कि पिछले 6 महीने में कौन से दिन पे, कौन सी जगह पे, कौन से टाइम पे किस प्रकार की घटना घट रही है. That allows you to take corrective and preventive action. If you know that on main gate number 2, you always have problems on Friday afternoon, all you need to do is to take away those 2 guards from gate number 3 and put those 2 guards here. Simple. And you will prevent it. Why? Because you have verified the 6 months data based on the incidents that took place on the main gate. Right? So this is what needs to be done. Very funny thing, but this is a fact of life. Some states have an internal security act that says that if there are more than 100 people who walk into an establishment, cameras are compulsory, which is fine. It should be like that. But there is no law that says the camera should be working. कैमरा लगा दिया, चालू नहीं है सर, क्या करे, बहुत दिन से चालू नहीं था हमारा, क्या करे. This is the irony of life. So you must make auditing compulsory, and governments must even think about giving incentives to people to audit. So there are 6,000 cameras in Mumbai city surveillance. 6,000. Reliance has 20,000. And 6,000 cameras in Mumbai city. And 4,000 cameras just at Delhi airport. Yet Mumbai city has 6,000 cameras and they call it city surveillance. Jab Delhi airport needs 4,000 cameras, how do you call 6,000 cameras and say Bombay city mein humne 6,000 camera dal diya and this is city surveillance? This will never work. No government in the world will be able to provide enough number of cameras to cover the entire city. No government. But Reliance has 20,000. I have 200. Somebody else has 2,000. Someone else has 500. One jeweler has 2 cameras. Crowdsourcing. If everybody starts checking their own video feed, if everybody starts auditing their own video, it will become easy for you to find out problems that your alert systems did not give you, okay? And you will be able to report to the police before something happens. Just like those 2 schoolboys saw yesterday that there were people in some kind of a dress, they were talking about ONGC and school, exactly like that. How did they see? With their eyes. So the cameras are also eyes. So only thing, the eyes are shut now. Once you start auditing, those eyes will open up. Okay? So you go to a movie theater and you shut your eyes. Can you see the movie? No. So exactly like that. Make auditing a culture. So couple of last few slides. Why doesn't anybody audit CCTV? 2 reasons. Number 1, nobody has thought about it. Just like Zuckerberg was the only guy, maybe not even Zuckerberg is wrong. Orkut was before Zuckerberg, but maybe Bill Gates thought about MS-DOS. He also didn't think about it. He bought it from somebody else. Google thought about a search engine. New technologies and new ideas evolve. Nobody thought about using this data. Okay? And therefore, nobody's thought about auditing. And number 2, most importantly, very difficult to audit, very cumbersome. 24 घंटे का डेटा आप कैसे ऑडिट करोगे? मगर 24 घंटे का डेटा अगर 24 मिनट में दिख जाए तो 24 घंटे का डेटा 24 मिनट में दिख जाए तो रोज करोगे, दिन में 3-4 बार करोगे, एटलीस्ट आपके क्रिटिकल कैमरास करोगे, एटलीस्ट आप 20 के 20,000 नहीं कर सकते. Of course you can if you have the manpower, certainly you can. But whatever is critical, out of 20,000 maybe there are 200 that are critical. Out of 4,000 in Delhi maybe 40 are critical. At least do that. Audit every day. Now, this is another thing that we believe is going to be very huge. A new profession for people, young men, young women, old women, old men, to become CCTV auditors. Because to be a CCTV auditor, all you need is a pair of eyes and something called situational awareness. आपको पता होना चाहिए आपको क्या देखना है. That's it, finished. You don't have to have a degree. You should audit. I am not saying you use my software to audit. I haven't even used that word so far. You should audit. You know, everybody knows about the 2G scam and 3G. अभी 3G scam हुआ नहीं, मगर 2G scam हुआ है. अब 3G scam नहीं होगा, 4G scam नहीं होगा. CWG game scam हो गया एक बार, तो अगली गेम में scam नहीं होगा. They'll find something else to do. Who found out the coal scam? Who found out the 2G scam? Who found out the CWG scam? The CAG. When the CAG was auditing the books, did some alerts come out of the books? ये पेज पे देखो, ये पेज पे देखो, ये पेज पे देखो. Alert system आ रहा था? नहीं ना? They used their head, they used their eyes, they questioned people, they felt something is wrong, and they drilled down, used human intelligence, not artificial intelligence. You have to remember one thing, that even CCTV auditing, or auditing as the word suggests, is a manual process. It doesn't matter, even if it's a manual process. It's like fighting a war, it's a manual process. Even if the plane is firing or a tank is firing, it's still a manual process. But if it delivers results, do it. Correct? So, the solution, what I'm going to show you, is a tool which will help you to do all of this, and I will quickly therefore take you through this one last slide, and this is a very interesting slide. This is what the British government is doing. It's a very recent report where they are saying it is the end of the CCTV era. Big mistake. Why did they come to this conclusion? Okay, they are not going to pay more money to buy new cameras. Why? Anybody can tell me? Simple question. They don't want to spend any more money on cameras. Why?
There are already so many cameras are installed and nobody is there to audit.
Okay, extend on that. Extend on that.
Because CCTV cameras are more in reactive.
Okay, extend on that a little bit. Extend.
Government don't have money.
Okay, a little bit more.
Sir, till now nothing such thing has been done because of why they have placed those things.
करेक्ट. मतलब कहने का मतलब ये है कि कैमरा की वजह से क्राइम कम नहीं हुआ. So they have not achieved the outcomes from CCTV. What should be the outcome? Crime and loss prevention. ये होना चाहिए, prevent होना चाहिए. Improvement of processes. Process improve होगा, sales improve होगा, और crime जल्दी से solve होना चाहिए. This is the outcome from any video surveillance system. आप कहीं से भी वीडियो ले आओ, बॉडी वॉर्न से ले आओ, ड्रोन से ले आओ, सीसीटीवी से ले आओ, आपके मोबाइल से ले आओ, उसमें से कुछ मिलना चाहिए. वो नहीं मिला, इसलिए ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट इज सेइंग कि अभी हम पैसा खर्चा नहीं करेंगे. गलत है, ये गलत है. क्यों? बिकॉज दे आर शूटिंग द मैसेंजर. द मैसेंजर इज द कैमरा. द मैसेंजर इज व्हाट दे हैव not realized is that what could they do to get those outcomes, and auditing is one such tool to give you those outcomes. Yeah. Also, I'd like to show you, we've spoken enough about crime, but how that camera is capturing climate. Rivers, Ganga is being clean. Maybe they will send some drones to monitor. Agriculture. जहां जहां पर वीडियो है, वहां ऑडिटिंग की जरूरत है. अब देखिए how the world has not even standardized CCTV signage. Go back and just Google CCTV signs. You will find 500 such designs. गलत है ना? क्योंकि ये साइन के बावजूद भी क्राइम हो रहा है, गड़बड़ हो रही है, तो साइन को चेंज कर दो ना. हर जगह में ये साइन बोर्ड होना चाहिए, एक ही कलर का, एक ही शेप का, एक ही क्वालिटी का. सिर्फ यहां रिलायंस का लोगो लग जाए, यहां स्टेट बैंक का लोगो लग जाए, यहां की गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का लोगो लग जाए, मगर ये चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. यहां गुजराती में आ जाए, तमिल में आ जाए, तेलुगु में आ जाए, इंग्लिश तेलुगु, इंग्लिश जर्मन, इंग्लिश जापानीज, इंग्लिश फ्रेंच. The entire world should have a new message. We check CCTV every day. Then you see the difference. Because the guy who goes into a store and sees this sign, he says, अरे ये इसको छोड़ो, ये स्टोर को जाने दो, दूसरे स्टोर में जाता हूं, वहां भी ये देखेगा, उधर भी इधर देखेगा, वहां पर भी वही देखेगा, फिर कहेगा यार चोरी का धंधा छोड़ो, अब उसमें पैसा नहीं है. So it's just small simple ideas, small simple things which we have not missed. I'm sorry, we've not considered. I'm going to show you an incident of the Dhaka restaurant attack. The boys who carried out the attack were not supposed to die. 5 of them or 4 of them, young boys. This is the lane behind the restaurant. Okay? 15 minutes before the attack, this man was arranging for a vehicle so that those boys could run away. वो पता कब चला? 6 दिन के बाद. बेचारे मर गए उसके बाद. मगर किसी को ये रूम में ये नहीं पता चला है, 2 चीज नहीं पता चली है कि ये जाड़ कितना कैमरा को कवर कर रहा है. 10 लाख रुपए का कैमरा आप डाल दीजिए, मगर एक जाड़ सामने आ गया तो क्या करोगे? सॉरी, ब्लाइंड जोन हो गया. सही बात है. और जब यही वीडियो हमने हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू रन किया, तो जो बांग्लादेश पुलिस को नहीं मिला, ये 3 लोग हमको मिले. Human intelligence. And I will show you that how and why. Why? Because images are easier to handle than video, so you can go back and forth. As a social responsibility, our company is giving away this software for free to all places of worship world over. So, if any of you know of a mandir, masjid, gurudwara, church, etc., anywhere in the world, they can write to us and we'll be happy to give the software for free. No issue at all. This is a made in India product, and this is where I end my slides before I show you the product. Is there any doubt, any questions that anybody has so far? No, good. So we'll carry on with the actual demo of the product. And this will start is a video feed. This is a live video feed. It's a live video feed coming from Santa Cruz. Because of the internet, the feed is not very smooth. You can see that, but it's a live video feed. This is another live video feed. 4 cameras from within the office. Now, this feed could be from America, this feed could be from Japan, from anywhere, right? It's easy to access a video feed today, correct? Anywhere. So you could be sitting in India, you access a video from the US either via the internet or whatever gateway that you got. Just bring the feed. Finished, yeah? Okay. And now let's see what the software is. So this is our software. Simple 4 buttons. That's it. So simple. Just 4 buttons. The software is to be installed on a Windows machine, which is here. Bring the video feed to that machine, and you can bring multiple feeds. Like I've got multiple feeds coming in. One from England, one from here, one from there, one from this camera, one from that camera. Within your video management system or whichever way you want. Bring any video, any number of cameras. Normally people see 4x4. What do you all see normally?
Depends. We can customize our video.
Correct. Normally क्या देखते हो आप लोग? 4x4, 3x3, sometimes 64, sometimes even 1. बहुत critical जगह है तो 1 camera हो सकता है. Correct.
We can split our windows, like for outdoor we dedicate one screen, and for indoor we dedicate one screen.
Correct. Correct. Absolutely. Now see what the software is doing. Are you leaving? Okay. We catch up immediately. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Bye. So see what the software is doing now. Something very interesting. There are 2 feeds coming in, one from the main gate and one from the office. Okay? Now in Reliance, at how many frames per second do you capture or store your video feeds?
We do. I think that
No, whatever, that's fine. Huh?
12.
Okay, sometimes it's 12, sometimes it's 15, sometimes it's 25. It depends on storage capacity requirement, how much fluidity do you want. See, higher the number of frames per second, better will be the fluidity of the video. Correct? Lower will be, but why people don't make it high? Because it takes too much storage. Too much of storage. Remember that it is frames per second. This per second business is very important. It's per second. So if it is so many frames, when they run together, it makes that moment, this moment, that moment is made of 1 second. Everybody agrees? 25 frame 1 second, 15 frame 1 second, 5 frame 1 second, 90 frame 1 second. वो second common है सब में. So what our software is actually doing is, it is capturing that 1 second. वो सेकंड को ही यहां से कैप्चर कर लिया सॉफ्टवेयर ने. सो ये जो कलेक्टिव एफर्ट था, वो कलेक्टिव एफर्ट से 1 सेकंड हुआ. सो ये मोमेंट को ही कैप्चर कर लिया. विच मीन्स के बोलने की दृष्टि से अगर 24-25 फ्रेम पर सेकंड है, तो 24 बेकार की फ्रेम्स विदाउट लूजिंग एनीथिंग सॉफ्टवेयर ने कैप्चर कर लिया. कैप्चर करके, विच मीन्स डेटा साइज उतना कम हो गया, कैप्चर करके इस मशीन पे सेव कर दिया स्क्रीनशॉट को. इट हैज कन्वर्टेड द वीडियो इनटू अ JPEG. What is a video made up of? JPEG only. So it has reconverted that video into a JPEG, but at 1 second. Okay, and it has stored it here, which means the video is coming from Japan. The PC is lying in Navi Mumbai. मतलब क्या? रिमोट बैकअप इजी. जापान में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गया, बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हो गया, उड़ गया, किसी ने हार्ड डिस्क चेंज कर लिया, छेड़छाड़ कर दिया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. अनटिल दैट टाइम कि वो बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हुआ या हार्ड डिस्क निकाल दिया, अनटिल दैट टाइम आपके पास में नवी मुंबई में उसका स्क्रीनशॉट आ गया. कहां करोगे? स्क्रीनशॉट में आप वीडियो जहां गीगाबाइट्स लेता है, वहां ये KB लेता है. But the beauty of this technology is that on demand it will reconvert the screenshots into video, put it in PowerPoint and give it. All automated. Okay? Good. So now let's do one thing. We will see the 7,000 screenshots. Four cameras in one screenshot. Correct? So 1/4 data size वहीं कम हो गया. वैसे 16 cameras, human eye can see 16 cameras. तो 16 cameras कम हो गया. अब we'll show you something very unique. This screenshot started at 1322, first screenshot, and 1522. So 2 घंटे का डेटा है. करेक्ट? 2 घंटे का डेटा we will be able to see in 2.5-3 minutes maximum without missing anything. Okay? But before I show you that, see the uniqueness of this angle. I can actually improve the brightness and the contrast of my video, which you will never be able to do in any video management software. I can convert that entire video into inverted look, completely negative look. नेगेटिव फिल्म्स आती है ना, पुलिस यूजेस दिस a lot for forensics, especially during bomb blasts. Could be that, but more than that, sometimes blood stains cannot be seen very easily. So you have to invert it. Whatever is black becomes white. So your eye may sometimes, if your eye misses the black, it will see in white. Okay? Same, the whole video will become, with one click, entire screenshots will become in this look. With one click, entire screenshots can become black and white. Okay? Interesting? Now see how we are going to see these 2 hours of data. Now please remember one thing, that this is not your office. This is not your office. So you don't have situational awareness. You don't know what is right and what is wrong. That is why centralized surveillance fails many times. See, lot of banks, the mistake banks are making, lots of banks are making this mistake. State Bank of India, I'll give you an example. State Bank of India has about 20,000 branches. Each branch has approximately 8 cameras. Which means overall State Bank of India has 1,60,000 cameras. Correct? Now what State Bank of India is trying to do is to create one central command. अभी 1,60,000 कैमरा एक सेंट्रल कमांड में तो नहीं ला सकते, वेरी डिफिकल्ट. इतना डेटा कहां से लाएंगे? सो व्हाट दे डू, दे मेक रीजनल सेंटर्स. सो नवी मुंबई फॉर एग्जांपल में एक सेंटर लगा दिया, और नवी मुंबई के कमांड सेंटर में 200-300 ब्रांचेस की वीडियो फीड आएगी. करेक्ट? आप जरा इधर आइए. Now imagine that you are one of those people who is at that central command, and this is your branch. How will you know whether this fellow is the branch manager himself? Is he a potential customer? Is he a high net individual? Is he somebody who is going to commit crime? आपको बिठा दिया वहां पर, but how will you get situational awareness of what is right and what is wrong? Very very difficult. So centralized command के साथ साथ में लोकल सर्वेलेंस चाहिए. सिर्फ वो ब्रांच का ही मैनेजर और ब्रांच का ही टीम ये बता पाएगा कि सही क्या है गलत क्या है. Thanks. So now please imagine, when I'm going to show you this, please imagine that you know what is right and what is wrong when I'm going to show you this. Okay, because otherwise you will think अरे बहुत fast जा रहा है, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use one system, very easy system, which will allow me to go through these 2 hours of data very quickly. So I click one button, and now see how beautifully, manually, I can go back forward, I can go backward, I can go forward, I can go backward. जहां पर मुझे जरा थोड़ा सा डाउट लगा उसको मैंने फ्लैग कर दिया. देखिए नीचे एक लाल फ्लैग लग गया. फिर आगे गया आगे गया आगे गया, देख रहा हूं देख रहा हूं देख रहा हूं. Now this guy in camera number 4, he is wasting his time. So I'll flag him again. Then I'll go. Yeah, see, it's a fact, right? I'll go. Somebody came in. Okay, he seems to be my man. That's fine. Now there are a lot of people are wasting their time, so we'll flag that also. Etc. Again wasting time. So moral of the story is that time wasters will stop wasting time once we start auditing. ये देख लिया, वहां से वहां तक टाइम पास ही कर रहा है. as I'm saying, we have, but I'm happy you said that. I'm happy you said that. You know why? Because sometimes when people are doing good work, we don't know. So cameras can be used for both purposes. To find out what is right and encourage, and find out what is wrong and discourage. For both. How will otherwise know कि मेरा जो गार्ड है वो 6 बजे उसका ड्यूटी है सुबह पे, मगर बेचारा 5:30 को आ जाता है. शाम को उसका ड्यूटी 6 बजे को खत्म होता है, मगर 8 बजे तक जाता नहीं है. उसको कौन बेचारे को शाबाशी देगा? कैमरा देख रहा है, मगर किसी ने वो गार्ड को शाबाशी नहीं दी है. So I'm happy you said that. But having said that, I'm seeing this go back and forth so easily, and whoever has used DVR, NVR, just tell me whether it is possible to go so fluidly and smoothly on video. वो चोक कर देगा, पूरा चोक कर देगा. Number 1. चलो ठीक है. Now we'll go to these time wasters. And we will do 2 unique things. हमारे पास देखिए 4 कैमरा है. 4 कैमरा का हमको एक ही वीडियो चाहिए. नहीं तो नॉर्मली क्या करना पड़ता है, 4 चैनल पे से एक वीडियो निकालना पड़ता है. अब हम 4 कैमरा का एक वीडियो बनाएंगे, उसके बाद में एक ही कैमरा का एक वीडियो बनाएंगे. ओके, लेट अस सी दैट. देखिए यहां से हमारा एविडेंस शुरू हुआ. सो वी विल स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग दिस एविडेंस. And now the software is asking me, okay, what do you want me to do? So I am saying reconvert these screenshots into a video, put it in PowerPoint and give it to me because I want to share it. Oh, so see, just click OK. It's a small issue. मैंने टच भी नहीं किया, PowerPoint को हाथ नहीं लगा. Done. 4 videos in one video embedded in PowerPoint. Plate. 4 cameras in one file. 16 cameras in one file. 32 cameras in one AVI file. One AVI file. Beautiful, right? Now, let's do the same thing with just one camera. I do not have a zoom camera in my office, but I was able to zoom. Now I'm going to tell the software कि मुझे ये ही कैमरा का एविडेंस चाहिए. देखो कितना टाइम खराब कर रहा है. और इस बार इसको एक इंसिडेंट रिपोर्ट बनाते हैं. हो गया इंसिडेंट रिपोर्ट. कितने बजे हुआ, कब हुआ, कहां हुआ, और इसको ध्यान दीजिए. डेट पिक्यूलरिटी, टाइम पिक्यूलरिटी, लोकेशन पिक्यूलरिटी. व्हाई डेट पिक्यूलरिटी? संडे था, मंडे था, ईद था, दिवाली थी, दिवाली, होली, न्यू ईयर, क्रिसमस, क्या कब होता है? टाइम पिक्यूलरिटी, दोपहर में 2 बजे, 3 बजे, सुबह में 4 बजे. लोकेशन पिक्यूलरिटी, बिल्डिंग 10B, बिल्डिंग 11, बिल्डिंग 12, पातलगंगा, जामनगर. So you can then get patterns. Okay, and now only one camera. ये पुलिस को दे दो, क्राइम अपने आप सॉल्व हो जाएगा जल्दी से. And it is in PowerPoint, so it can be opened on any of your phones. Simple. Okay.
But sir was saying that these cannot be challenged into the code of law.
One minute. Court of law, good question. Court of law बाद की बात है. यहाँ पर कोई क्राइम नहीं हुआ है. दिस इज अ बिजनेस प्रोसेस प्रॉब्लम, तो यहाँ पर आप कोर्ट में तो जाने वाले ही नहीं हो, करेक्ट?
In odd case, we can talk
One
about
minute.
something.
बहुत अच्छा प्रश्न पूछा, so I will answer that. When it comes to court of law, it is only the judge who takes a call whether he wants to admit this evidence or doesn't want to admit this evidence. Even if you've got the most genuine evidence, the defense counsel will always say कि इसको डॉक्टर किया. Number 2, अगर आपका एविडेंस ही चला गया, गायब हो गया, डीवीआर चला गया, तो कुछ तो है आपके पास, आप उसके बारे में सोचिए. पहले क्राइम सॉल्व करने के लिए सोचिए, पहले क्राइम प्रिवेंशन के लिए सोचिए, बाद में कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ की बात कीजिए. बाय द टाइम योर केस कम्स, God knows you'll probably be a grandfather. So one really doesn't even know when that case comes. So that's a very different issue. That's a different ball game. That's going on a legal side. We want benefits from video surveillance. Okay? All right. Now I mentioned something about the fact that we could look for these images, tag and look for these images at any time. So see, the software has its own tag cloud, and we have some images related to a bank. And this is a very interesting thing. Very interesting, 9 cameras. Now imagine, ये रात को 12 बजे का सीन है. इमेजिन कि आप बैंक मैनेजर है, आप क्या करोगे? सुबह में आए, आपने देखना शुरू कर दिया. देखिए कितना जल्दी मैं देख रहा हूँ पूरी रात का. वो देखिए एटीएम मशीन जो है ना, वहां पर एक पेपर हिल रहा है. कैमरा नंबर 4 में देखिए, दिख रहा है आपको? देखिए सॉफ्टवेयर इतना भी नहीं छोड़ता. आप ध्यान दीजिएगा क्या होगा, थोड़े टाइम में क्या होगा, ध्यान दीजिएगा. एक बंदा आया, ओके नाइस, इसको फ्लैग कर देते पहले, फिर आगे चलते हैं. ये दूसरा बंदा आया, इसको फ्लैग कर देते. अब दोनों के बीच में फर्क देखते. ये बंदा और ये बंदा. नाउ सी, what we will do, we will mask this camera so we can also create a video out of it. Count the number of seconds he is in the ATM. 1, he is not entered, but we still counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, this is the first second or second second. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In 13 seconds, the man has come to the ATM, not faced the ATM machine and gone. Correct? The only reason somebody will go into an ATM and come out so quickly is कि वहां पर अगर एक बोर्ड देखेगा कि ATM machine is out of order. But therefore, 5 minutes later, this guy comes in. Seems like a genuine transaction, but he has not drawn any money. He probably only looked at his balance, but he was facing the machine. Why did that man come into the ATM, go to the left and walk out in 13 seconds? कुछ चोरी का माल रखने को आया था, चोरी का माल लेने को आया था. Exactly, रेकी कर रहा था, कहाँ से मैं वायर कट कर सकता हूँ, कैमरा का पोजीशन क्या है. तो जब एज अ बैंक मैनेजर मैं सुबह में आके देखता हूं, तो मुझे क्या करना है? ये मैंने ले लिया, अब सॉफ्टवेयर से कहते हैं काम कर भाई, ये मुझे मिल तो गया, अभी मेरा जो चीफ सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर है उसको रिपोर्ट कर देता हूं, फिर वो देखे. Everybody in agreement? Simple. And these are all tools that you already know how to use. सामने वाले को भी पता है, आपको भी पता है. और आप सोचिए कि आपको मैंने सॉफ्टवेयर ने पावर पॉइंट खोलने की भी तकलीफ नहीं दी है, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स भी डालने की तकलीफ नहीं दी है, वो भी डाल के दे दिया, आप सिर्फ लिखो.
और how much time more?
बस 5 minutes. I'm done.
Next 5 minutes is next session.
Yeah. Okay. So finally, I'll just show you one more thing, very interesting, nothing to do with the crime, but what I was talking about, climate control. See, this is a river. इसको गंगा समझिए. किसी ने इसके ऊपर समझा होगा कि कैमरा लगाना जरूरी है, इसलिए कैमरा है वहां पर. मैं वहां का ऑपरेटर हूं. सुबह मैं आके चेक करता हूं रोज. क्लाउड्स को देखिए ऊपर. कुछ मिला मुझे अभी तक? कुछ भी नहीं मिला. विच मीन सब कुछ सही था, मगर देखा तो पता चला ना कि सब कुछ सही है. अभी रोज अगर मैं चेक कर रहा हूं, एक दिन सुबह में मुझे ये ख्याल आता है कि पानी का लेवल क्यों बढ़ गया सडनली. बरसात नहीं है, मौसम साफ है, तो कहीं पर ग्लेशियर मेल्ट हुआ है क्या? कहीं पर डैम किसी ने खोल दिया है क्या? अगर मैं फॉरेस्ट ऑफिशियल हूं तो मुझे ये ख्याल आता है, आप देखिए राइट साइड का एरिया पूरा ब्राउन है, लेफ्ट साइड का एरिया ग्रीन है, तो वहां का पानी खराब है. किस प्रकार के एनिमल्स पानी पीने को आते हैं? कौन सा वाटर टैंकर माफिया हमारी रिवर में से पानी चोरी करके चला जाता है? ऑल दिस इज हिडन इंफॉर्मेशन in video which we are wasting. Okay, I will end my session here after just showing you one more utility which has got nothing to do with CCTV, but मान लो कि ये जो टेरर के आज जो 2-4 लोग आज पुलिस ने एक निकाला ना, ऐसे मान लो कि पुलिस के पास इतने लोगों की इंफॉर्मेशन आती है कि ये सारे घुसपैठी है, बॉम्बे में घुसे कहीं ना कहीं. अभी ये 19 लोग हैं, करेक्ट? तो ऐसा फॉर्मेट होना चाहिए जल्दी से पुलिस को के पास में, ऐसा टूल होना चाहिए कि जो उसको जल्दी से इकट्ठा कर ले, इकट्ठा करके इसका एक तुरंत रिपोर्ट बना दे. इस प्रकार का वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट है. Okay, it's doing it. Simple. See, it will do everything on its own. हो गया? वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट है, मराठी में, हिंदी में, गुजराती में, जिस भाषा में लिखना वो भाषा में लिख लो. अगर हर रेलवे स्टेशन पे इसको अलग अलग किस्म से के पोस्टर बनाने हैं, हर बस स्टैंड पे, हर रेलवे स्टेशन पे, and see the software will take any photo from externally for any purpose. So now you have now per page you have a poster. Easy. Good. I think I will end my session here. And for those of you who have small kids who go to school, and also since Reliance Jio is going, some schools will say हाँ हम आपको लाइव वीडियो दे देंगे, मगर लाइव उस टाइम पे होगा. मुझे जानना है 2 मिनट पहले क्या हुआ, कैसे देखोगे? We feel like laughing because they are not our kids. If they are our kids, you'll feel like going and shooting that woman. Look at this one. Reliance Jio.